关于中国的龙，我觉得最先是来自于，人们想象中间的一个综合体。龙它在这个12生肖里面，它唯一的一个有多种动物的形象的元素组合成的一个动物。马的这真诚和努力，它的角是鹿，一种尊贵感和无畏的勇往直前的一种精神。蛇入地通天，多变的一种能量，还有它的鹰爪，代表着一个飞翔的自由。所以龙是大家理想中间的最健壮、最美好、最有能力的综合体。
The Western dragon is usually more evil or maybe more in the fighting, but here in China it seems like the dragon's more friendly. And the snake, the thin, undulating kind of snake feeling, go in the water, in the sky. This is quite beautiful for me to see as a Westerner, the Chinese version of the dragon. The dragon is a very mythical and amazing animal.